Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how a request works from frontend to backend to database. So let's start. So first of all, we will have a frontend, right? This is called as your client. Your client can be mobile or browser. So the user is different. User interact with client, right? This can be Chrome, Mozilla, right? So now what will happen? We take an example that user want to sign in, right? So user click a button. This is a sign button. So when user click this button, it will call an API. So for before this, let's understand what is an API, right? So we can understand API here. So API is like your waiter. What it happens, what API does, it take response from front end. It take response from front end. Sorry, request from front end to back end. Then it gives back response to front end. This is your API. This thing is done by your API. It will take data from front end to back end, and then it will bring data from back end to front end. That's all. This is your API, right? So now if someone will ask you what is API, you will tell this. It is like a waiter, right? Like waiter go to kitchen and give food to the table. This is also same thing with API. So now when a user click this button, it will trigger a API, right? That API will request the server. Now server is your backend, right? Server is your backend. It will contain some code. So this code will be executed, right? When this request will go here, this code will be executed. Now for example, we have this sign in example, right? So this will execute the sign in function inside the code, right? So that sign in function will obviously contain a query, right? It will contain a query to find that does the user exist or not in the database. So from here, our server will call database, right? So in database, it will query. This contains your data, rows and columns. Document DB in case of Mongo, right? This will find that does the user exist or not. So it find yes, user exists. So it returns okay, the user exists. So here there is drivers, right? Here are drivers, database drivers. So now your code executed and it confirms that yes, user exists. Now it will generate a response, right? Then it will generate a response that will go to client, and then your client will show the response to the user. That's all. This is how your front end, back end, and database work. And this was a very high level. In next video, we will go in deep with this, right? Because we have a lot of things there, REST APIs. Then we have this which technologies we use, right? Quickly, I will tell you which technologies we use. Here we use Node.js or Spring Boot in backend. Here we use React. Here we use pSQL or Mongo, right? APIs are of two types, SOAP, and then we have this GraphQL. Then we have this REST API. We will cover this in next video. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you tomorrow.